Asset Terry Henry coming to you once again, going to show my felony brothers and sisters how to get this money. When you go into a bank and apply for a loan, because they will give it to you, don't go to the big banks. Don't go to Chase, Wells Fargo, Capital One. Don't go to none of those places. You want to go to small bank branches that have maybe one or two locations, because there you're going to have the branch managers or the president of the bank actually working in that bank or the next bank that can give you an answer right away based on your appearance. Once again, your appearance does matter. Don't go there with your pants sagging, smelling like a pound of weed, all these things. No, you got to go there and present yourself. Have your stuff together, have your paperwork together, your EIN number, your Dun & Bradstreet number, all these things. Have your business plan, if you have one, together. Go to a small bank. They will give it to you. For my black brothers and sisters, or my Latino brothers and sisters, and this is, I'm just sharing with you, you want to go try out some Chinese banks. Chinese banks and all these other banks, they have to give a certain amount of money to minorities or they will shut their banks. They have to give it to you. Try some of these banks, believe it or not. They don't have many black people and Mexicans and Chinese and Latinos and stuff going into those banks. You go to those banks and you apply, they have to give it to you. You'd be surprised. You may be the first person who went into one of them banks that year or this year and applied for a loan. Go to one of the banks and apply. They have to give money to minorities. It's mandatory. So a lot of times you may be the lucky guest to get one. Now I've been sending this. I've had over 10,000 emails. I got everybody hit me. So I'm trying to give you information. I'm working on my YouTube. The podcast is coming soon. It will be here by next week. So I'm just letting you know. So I'm going to have all this information down. But for right now, click subscribe, share, whatever you got to do, however you do this thing. I also give private lessons. I do charge to help people privately. I'm giving this stuff out free of charge. But if you want me to walk you through it, hold your hand, I put my Cash App up here. We can do some business together. I can show you how to invest. I can go deep into detail with you. But for those who can't invest or whatever, I'm giving this all free of charge. This is free. You're going to go to like I said, go to a bank that is like a Chinese bank or a small branch right in your community, and you go ahead and you apply for a loan there and be surprised how fast you get it. Like I said, have your stuff together. And I don't want to repeat myself. This is rhetorical, but it's basically have your stuff together. I don't want you to just say, oh, he told me to do this and it didn't happen. No, you got to have your stuff together. Your EIN number, your Dun & Bradstreet number, if you can get one, and all these things. Have it together and watch how that money flow. My felony brothers and sisters, let's get it.